Priyam. Today I discuss equilibrium. What is the meaning of equilibrium? Forces acting on the body, net force becomes zero. Once again I repeat, forces acting on the body, net force becomes zero. Okay, that condition is called equilibrium. Okay, look here. Nana, here, look here now. For example, this is the body now. Here, only single force acting. Here, only single force acting. Single force acting, మరి ఫోర్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వాలి అంటే మినిమం ఎన్ని ఫోర్సెస్ ఉండాలి? 2 ఫోర్సెస్ ఉండాలి. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఉంది? సింగిల్ ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ అయింది. సంథింగ్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెన్. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? సింగిల్ ఫోర్స్ యాక్టింగ్. సింగిల్ ఫోర్స్ యాక్టింగ్, దిస్ బాడీ ఈజ్ నాట్ సెడ్ టు బి ఈక్విలిబ్రియం. సింప్లీ కాల్ as the body is to be equilibrium. Minimum, how many number of equal forces acting? 2 forces acting. What is the first question? Once again repeat. The minimum number of equal forces. Once again I repeat. The minimum number of equal forces acting on the body is said to be a equilibrium. Is 2 now. Here look here. This F. What happens? Cancel. Net force 0. This body is said to be a equilibrium. Once again I repeat. This is the body. Here force acting on the body is F. Here another force acting on the body is F. The question is, the minimum number of equal forces acting on the body is said to be a equilibrium. How many number of forces acting? 2 equal forces. This force cancel. Net force is 0. The body is said to be a equilibrium. Once again I repeat the question. How many minimum number of equal forces keep the body in equilibrium? ఎన్ని కావాలన్నా? 2 కావాలి. మరి ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు తీసుకుంది ఈక్వల్ ఫోర్సెస్ కదా, మరి ఈసారి అన్ఈక్వల్ ఫోర్సెస్ తీసుకుందాం. ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్, హౌ మెనీ unequal forces how many unequal forces acting how many unequal forces acting how many unequal forces acting on the body and keep its equilibrium. This is the next question. Look here. Just previous concept, how many equal forces? ఎన్ని ఈక్వల్ ఫోర్సెస్ కావాలి బాడీ ఈక్విలిబ్రియంలో ఉండాలంటే? 2 ఈక్వల్ ఫోర్సెస్ ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి అంటే, హౌ మెనీ అన్ఈక్వల్ ఫోర్సెస్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ ద బాడీ కీప్ ఇట్స్ ఈక్విలిబ్రియం. లుక్ హియర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద బాడీ. హియర్ వన్ ఫోర్స్ F3. హియర్ అదర్ ఫోర్స్ F1. హియర్ అదర్ ఫోర్స్ F2. లుక్ హియర్. లుక్ ద diagram. These all are different forces. F1, F2 resultant passing between. This is called F12. Suppose F1 to F3 equal magnitude, but direction is opposite, so cancel. simply called as net force 0. That means the body keep it in equilibrium. How many number of unequal forces acting? 3 unequal forces acting on the body. 3 unequal forces acting on the body. The body keep it in equilibrium. How many number of equal forces acting on the body keep it in equilibrium? 2. Do you understand? Single force cannot keep the equilibrium. Okay? These 3 points keep in your mind. Ruchit Pabba. Here, single force cannot keep the equilibrium. Okay? 2 forces, equal forces acting on the body in opposite direction, then the body keep it in equilibrium. 3 unequal forces acting on the body keep it in equilibrium. Nana, unequal aithe 3 kavali, equal aithe 2 kavali. Okay? Next question, Nana. Look. Equal, or unequal, equal, or unequal, non-coplanar forces. Minimum number of equal or unequal non-coplanar forces required to keep the particle in equilibrium. Okay, look here, Nana. Look here. Read the question. Find the minimum number of equal or unequal non-coplanar forces. ఇప్పుడు దాకా మనం చెప్పినవన్నీ కోప్లేనార్. ఇదేంటి? నాన్ కోప్లేనార్ ఫోర్సెస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ టు కీప్ ద బాడీ ఇన్ ఈక్విలిబ్రియం. లుక్ హియర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద బాడీ. నాన్ కోప్లానార్ అంటే ఒకే ప్లేన్లో ఉండకూడదు, డిఫరెంట్ ప్లేన్లో ఉండాలి. ఎక్స్ వై మైనస్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ వై. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చూస్తే ఇది XY ప్లేన్లో ఉంది. లుక్ హియర్, ఏ బార్. ఓకే, లుక్ హియర్ నన్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ హియర్. నెక్స్ట్ బి బార్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెంట్ ప్లేన్. హియర్, హియర్. Look here now. This is C bar. This is D bar. All are coplanar or non-coplanar? Non-coplanar. That means different planes. Okay? Here, AB resultant. Here now. This is called R bar. Okay? CD resultant, it becomes R bar. This R bar upward, this R bar downward. Both are cancelled. Simply, the body in equilibrium. Simply, how many non-coplanar forces required to keep the body in equilibrium? 4. Okay? Calculated. A frictionless wire is fixed between capital A and capital B. Inside the sphere, of radius R, A frictionless wire is fixed between A and B inside the sphere of radius capital R. A small ball slips along wire. A small ball slips along wire. Find time taken by ball slip from A to B. Find time taken by the ball slip from A to B. This is the question. Look the diagram first. Look here now. This is the sphere now. Look the diagram. This is the sphere. Okay. This sphere here wire is fixed. Wire, frictionless wire fixed between A and B. Here small body place. This body slips on the wire from A to B. Here this ball slips from A to B. What time taken by the ball to move from A to B? This is the question. Do you understand the question? Here to here, this is called radius. Here to here, this is called radius. This point is called C. Okay? Nana, A to B distance is given, so kinematic second equation. S equal to ut plus half at square. In the situation ball just slip, u becomes 0. Simply S equal to half into S equal to half into A into T square. Okay? This is the kinematic second equation. Any doubt now? Look here. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇక్కడ డిస్టెన్స్ బాడీ ట్రావెల్ అయిన డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంతో చెప్తారా? AB. ఓకే, A to B. Here right side half into A into T square. మరి ఇక్కడ ఈ బాల్ వెయిట్ ఆల్వేస్ వర్టికల్లీ డౌన్వర్డ్స్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద వెయిట్ ఆల్వేస్ వర్టికల్లీ డౌన్వర్డ్స్. గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్ ఇడుంది నా బాల్. Here weight always vertically downwards. This angle for example theta. Here this G resolved into two components. This component is what happens in an angle says G cos theta. Simply nana AB equal to, look here nana, half into here acceleration along AB is according to diagram G cos theta into T square. Okay, do you understand? Look here now. Nana mari cos theta definition చెప్తారా ఎవరైనా? cos theta nana ఇదిగో ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ తీసుకోండి. look here now. Look here now. This is theta, this is A, this is B, this is C. Here in the diagram cos definition, cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse side is AC. Some people confuse ఇది adjacent ఇది adjacent. Length more unte hypotenuse, length less unte adjacent. AB length is less, so that is called adjacent. Here write. Look here now. AB equal to. Look here now. Half into. Here G. What is the cos theta value? AB by AC into what? T square. AB what? Cancel. AC value A to C. This is called diameter. Diameter length. Here to here R. Here to here R. R plus R to R. This avutala 2 AC write as R by G. The numerator other side denominator. Denominator other side numerator. According to this situation, T equal to under root 2R by G. This is the formula for time taken by the body to move from A to B. This is the formula. Okay, T equal to, what is the formula? Under root 2R by G. Okay, 2R by G. And time taken is independent upon the inclination. Angle name inclination. So this time is independent on the inclination. Look here now. Once again I repeat. Here 2 AC value according to the diagram 2R. 2R into 2 4R. Okay. Here neatly write as 4R. T equal to under root 4R by G. Simply root 4 outside 2 under root R by G. Vector is given 3t I cap 2t square j cap 5k cap. Okay. The question is find the velocity, comma, acceleration at t equal to 1 second. This is the question. Now we know the differentiation formula. We know that differentiation of t power 3 formula 3 into t square. Differentiation of t square formula 2 into t. Differentiation of t formula 1. Differentiation of any constant. Finally it becomes 0. Look here now. T cube differentiation 3t square. T square differentiation 2t. T differentiation 1. Books kavala sir? Oka 10 నిమిషాలు. Comes 0. Look here. A newly joined persons, please see these concepts in the YouTube. In the concepts YouTube nana differentiation integration. Look here. First to determine velocity nana. Velocity definition is rate of. Rate means time. Rate of change of displacement. Okay. This is the formula for velocity. Simply displacement by time. Here r bar right here nana. Look here. R bar. What is the R bar? 3t. Here 3t I cap plus 2t square j cap plus 5k cap. Okay, look here now. All of you look here. In the first step, 3 is common nana. I is common. Okay, here t is there. T ki differentiation what nana? 1. First to write constant outside, next to apply differentiation. T ki differentiation 1 completed. Here next step 2j common nana, t square differentiation 2t, okay, plus here only constant is there. Any constant we apply differentiation, it becomes 0. Finally write neatly, v bar is 3i plus 4j cap into t. 2 into 2, 4. This is called v bar. Next, what will we calculate? Acceleration. What is the definition of acceleration? dv by dt. Once again I repeat, definition is, look here now, dv by dt. Here write v value. Here d by dt of, what is the v value here? V value write 3i cap plus 4j cap into t. Here first constant differentiation is 0 plus 4j cap t lo constant is 4j cap. First write constant outside. Differentiation of t 1. This is the value of acceleration 4j cap. This is the acceleration value. What is the velocity value? V bar equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap t. Here according to question, find velocity acceleration at t equal to 1 second. Here t value substitute 1 second. Here nana t value substitute 1 second. Acceleration equal to 4j cap. Velocity equal to, here substitute t value 1. 3i cap plus 4j cap. Find magnitude of velocity means both side I apply modulus. Left side it becomes v, right side under root I coefficient square, j coefficient square. Here 9 plus 16, 25, root 25 value 5. Okay, look here. Sorry, alpha t square, y value beta t square. These x comma y are called coordinates. Find velocity of the body. Nana, here x comma y is given. The coordinates x comma y. The body moving in the xy plane. XY plane moving, v bar write as vx I cap plus vy j cap. Equation number 1. In the situation, first write vx value, next write vy value. Nana, we know that first to find vx value. What is the vx definition? dx by dt, displacement by time. But x value is given in the question. Look here, Nana. X value is, what is the x value? Alpha t square. Here alpha is a constant. Right outside t square differentiation is 2t. Okay. Next one. Again to determine vy value. Vy means displacement by time. Here y value also given. Y value also given. Beta t square. Here beta is a constant. Right outside vy equal to beta into T square differentiation is 2t. Here, this is the Vx nana, equation number 2. This is the Vy nana, equation number 3. 2 comma 3. Substitute in equation 1. Okay. What is the equation 1? Equation 1 write as V equal to under root Vx place lo 2 alpha t right. Okay. Vx square plus Vy square 2 beta t whole square. Okay. Here V equal to under root. Okay. Here 2t square 2 alpha 4 alpha square t square plus 4 beta square t square. Right side common term is 4 outside 2 t square outside t. Remaining will be alpha square plus beta square. Look here.